Hi everyone. Before we get started today, you'll see I already have my math fact up here that we're going to do first. Pause the video, go get yourself a piece of paper and something to write with before we get started. So you can pause this video and go do that. Okay, now that you have something to write and follow along with, I want you to write 19 minus 14 equals on your paper. This is going to be the first problem we're going to practice and do together today. Okay, so when we do this problem today, I'm going to think about using addition to help me subtract. There's many different ways we can use whenever we subtract, and we've been learning about a lot of them, but I think this one's going to be the most helpful for us on this one. So, I know that when I subtract, 19 is the whole number because it's the biggest number, and that's what we start with when we subtract. But when we are adding, I know that 19, the whole number, is the last number. It's our sum. I also know that 14 is one of the parts of our subtraction problem, so it's one of the parts for our addition problem as well. So today, we are trying to figure out what is the other part that will make 19 when it comes together with 14. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about it like that, and I'm going to use my fingers to count up, to add, and figure out how many I add to get to 19. So we're going to start at 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many fingers did you put up? Very good. You should have up 5 fingers. So 5 is the other part that goes with 14 to make the whole of 19. Now, these two problems are fact families, so we know they have all of the same numbers. So the other part of 19 minus 14 must be 5. Very good. Okay, let's do one more. For this one, I'm going to do 17 minus 3. So for this, you can choose to draw pictures or you can choose to count backwards. I'm going to count backwards by making a number line. And I'm going to start over here at 17. Now when we subtract, our number line goes backwards. So I'm going to fill in the numbers. Now I'm only subtracting 3. I'm not subtracting a lot, so I don't need to make a full number line. I'm just going to draw a few. I'm going to start at 17 and I'm going to make 3 jumps. Now when we subtract, we jump backwards, so make sure you're going the right direction. I jumped backwards 1, 2, 3. And what did I land on? 14. Now I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem by drawing pictures. I'm going to draw 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. These also kind of look like 10 frames, if you want to think about it like that. Now, when we're subtracting, we are not adding more on, we are Xing them out. 1, 2, 3. Then I know that this is 10. I said it kind of reminds me of a 10 frame. I know that this is 10 and I can count on to see how many I have left. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. My answer is 14. On the next slide, I want you to solve your subtraction problems in whichever way you'd like. You can draw pictures, you can think about it on a number line, you can use addition and fact families to help you solve. Good luck!